Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, you are going to learn how to send coaching class updates to students automatically on inquiry form submission. So guys, first of all, let me tell you what is happening here. When a Jotform gets submitted, we want to send a WhatsApp message containing the details of the coaching class updates. Alright. So guys, Jotform is a form building application in which you can create many type of forms like the registration forms, the inquiry form or survey forms, etc. And WhatsApp is an instant messaging service and you guys already know about it. Now, suppose that you are running a coaching institute and to send the coaching class updates to your students, you have created an inquiry form here on Jotform. So whenever a student fill this inquiry form of yours, you want to send them a WhatsApp message, and in that message you want to share the details of your coaching class updates, that is the course details or the upcoming classes timings or any other thing regarding your coaching classes. So to get this done, you have two ways. One is that whenever a new form gets submitted, you collect the data from that form and manually compile a message for each and every student on WhatsApp. So guys, this process can be very repetitive and time consuming for you. So guys, we have a better way. What if I tell you that whenever a new form gets submitted on Jotform, a new message with all the details of your class updates get delivered on the WhatsApp account of the student automatically. Yes guys, this can happen and this can be done by connecting Jotform with WhatsApp. But the issue is there is no direct connection or integration present between Jotform and WhatsApp. So to connect these two applications, I am using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and the best part of it is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this connection between Jotform and WhatsApp. So guys, first of all, let me give you a demo on my screen on how this connection between Jotform and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is a Jotform that I have created for my students to send them the offers for my coaching classes. So this is the title of our coaching, success coaching class, and here I have written fill out the form carefully to get course details. So here I have written course details. You can edit it accordingly, or you can write here offers or brochure or whatever you want to send to your students. So here I am going to fill this form on behalf of my student, and this is the WhatsApp account of one of my student. So I'll fill the details of the student here and submit this form, and then we will see if we receive any message on the WhatsApp account according to this form details. Alright, so here I am filling the form with the name as, let's say, Mahesh Raj. This is the email of Mahesh, the mobile number, the address, and the city details, the state and other things. And I am submitting this application by clicking here. Alright, so the form is submitted, and now we will see in the WhatsApp account if we receive anything regarding this form submission. Alright guys, as you can see, we have received this message and it is showing, "Hi Mahesh Raj, thank you for showing your interest in this coaching class," and we have attached the detailed offer brochure. So the detail of offers is attached here in this PDF file. So you can download this PDF file and check all the offer letters of our coaching classes. Alright, so this is how we are going to send the offers from our Jotform to WhatsApp. So now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here by just filling this Jotform without any manual compilation of the message. So guys, let me give you the quickest and easiest steps by which you can also make this connection between Jotform and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between Jotform and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Jotform to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So in first step, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Jotform with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data from Jotform in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll bring the data from Jotform to Pabbly Connect. And step 3 is send the same data to 𝗏𝗏 for sending messages on WhatsApp. So in the third and the last step, we will send the collected data from Pabbly Connect to WhatsApp as a new message with the help of another application called as 𝗏𝗏. So I'll tell you what 𝗏𝗏 is later on in this video. First of all, let's switch back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So you have to open your browser first and type Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, come to this products icon and click on connect. Alright, after this you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up for free, which I have already done, so I'm clicking on sign in directly. So after signing in, this all apps section of Pabbly will open up. From here, come to this connect panel and click on access now. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. To start working here, you have to create workflows. Alright, so to create workflow, click on this create workflow button. And here you have to enter a name to your workflow. So you can give any name according to yourself. I'm giving the name as Jotform response to WhatsApp message. Alright, now I'm clicking on create. So as a workflow get created, you will find these two things first, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. Alright. So as in our use case, the trigger would be a new Jotform response or form submission, and the action would be a new message on WhatsApp account of our student. Alright. Now, first of all, click here on the trigger option, and from the choose app, choose your application as Jotform. This is Jotform. After this, it will ask for the trigger event. So the trigger event would be a new response. Select this. After this, it will generate this URL. So this is called as webhook URL, and with the help of this URL, we are going to connect our Jotform with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so just copy this URL from here and go to your Jotform's dashboard. So here I have created these forms. So this is our form that we are using. So you have to go to this more option and click on settings. So the form settings will open up like this, and from here you have to go to this integrations option written here. Click on this integrations option and then click here on the webhooks button. Alright, so it is showing integration up and running. So you can remove this previous integration or you can edit this integration. So in this add webhook option, you have to paste your copied webhook. Alright, so this is the webhook that we have copied. So just paste it here in this add webhooks option and then click on complete integration. Alright, now it is showing integration is ready. You have successfully created your integration. That means we are now connected with our Jotform. Alright. And in the Pabbly Connect, now it is started showing waiting for webhook response. So it means that it is time for executing our second step. Let me show you what was our second step. So guys, our second step is collect the data from Jotform in Pabbly Connect. So now we are going to bring the data from our Jotform in Pabbly Connect. Let's do this. So here you can see it is still showing waiting for the webhook response. That means we have to fill another form and we'll capture the data here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to my form again from here and I'm opening this form. And let's fill another form. So now I'm going to give the name as Wasim and the email ID and the mobile number, the address, the city. Alright, so we have filled the details of our student. Now I'm clicking on submit. Alright, so our form is successfully submitted. Now let's get back to Pabbly Connect and see if it captured some data. So you can see this type of data is received here in Pabbly Connect. Alright, so it contains the details of our student like this. You can see all the details that we have filled. Alright, and something like this. So we have received the data that we have filled in our Jotform. So our second step is also completed. Now let's see what is our third step. So guys, our step 3 is send the same data to 𝗪𝗏 for sending messages on WhatsApp. So now we are going to send the collected data from Pabbly Connect to WhatsApp as a new message with the help of this 𝗪𝗏 application. So now I am going to tell what 𝗪𝗏 is and how we are going to use it. So here in the Pabbly Connect, click on this action button and from the choose app, choose your application as 𝗏𝗚𝗏𝗍, that is 𝗪𝗏. So now guys, you are wondering what 𝗪𝗏 is. Actually, you cannot send messages on WhatsApp directly because we do not have the access of WhatsApp's chat API, but 𝗪𝗏 is an application which have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this, you can easily send messages on WhatsApp. So you have to select the action event now, and the action event would be send template messages. Alright. After this button connect will appear. So click on connect. And from here, select this add new connection. And then it will ask for these two things, the API endpoint and the access token. So where are you going to find these two things? You have to go to 𝗪𝗏 dashboard and click on API docs option to get these two things. Alright, so now let me bring you to my 𝗪𝗏 account. This is my 𝗪𝗏 account. You can also create or set up your 𝗪𝗏 account, and to do that you can check the description box where we have pasted a link of the video in which we have explained how to set up your 𝗪𝗏 account. Alright, for now I'm clicking on this icon just beside this broadcast option. I'm clicking on this icon. So it have this option called as API docs. So click on API docs and here you can see the access token and the API endpoint which we have needed. So just copy this token endpoint here and paste it here like this, and copy the token also and paste it here. Alright, after this just click on this save button and now it is showing connected. That means we are connected with our 𝗪𝗏 account. After this, these fields will open up and the first field is asking for the WhatsApp number. So here you have to enter or map the data of the WhatsApp number to whom you want to send the message. Alright, so when you click here, you will find this Jotform new response option. So when you click here in this option, you will find all the data that we have already collected here in the second step. Alright, so you will find all this data here. When you click on this Jotform new response option, you can see this is the data that we have collected. So from here only you can map the mobile number of your student by clicking here on the mobile number like this. So we have mapped the WhatsApp number of our student. After this, it will ask for the template. So first of all, let me tell you what templates are. So I'm going to my 𝗪𝗏 account and from here, I'm going to template messages. So guys, these are the template messages we have in our 𝗪𝗏 account. So let me open up one for you. Let's say this only. So guys, what are these templates? Guys, message templates are actually predefined message structures that we want to send to our customer or student or client or to anyone. So to create these messages, you have to click here on this new template message button in 𝗪𝗐 account like this, and here you can give the name to your template. You can select the category of your template like this: account update, alert update, reply, or payment update, or any other category. And then you can select the language. You can create the body of the message that you want to send to WhatsApp here. Alright, and after making all this, just click here on save as draft and it will get saved. And after that, you have to submit that template to get approved by clicking here submit template button. So your template will get reviewed by WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, and they will approve your template. So it typically took 30 minutes to 2 days to get your templates approved from Facebook. After this, you can start using these templates and you can send your messages to your customers or students or clients very easily. Alright, so here in Pabbly Connect, it is asking which template you want to use for this task. Alright, so when I click here, I'll find all the approved templates that we have in the 𝗪𝗐 account. So these are the approved templates we have. And for this task, the template I am going to use is this template called as send brochure template, this template. So let me open this template for you. This is the template that we are going to send to our students. Alright, so from here I can search my template. So this is the send brochure template. Here it is. So just map this template from here only. After this, it will ask for the broadcast name. So you can put the broadcast name as your coaching class name, which is Success Coaching Classes, like this manually. Right. Now it is asking for the custom parameters. So what are these custom parameters? Let me show you in the template. So this is our template send brochure. And in this template, this is the message body that we want to send. So you can see in the message body, we have these things in double curly braces: the name, the school name, the file name, the website link. These are the things we have in double curly braces. So why we have these things in double curly braces? Because these are the things that are going to change with every new message, because the name of the student is going to change, the coaching class name will be going to change, the file name can be changed, and the website can be changed. So these are the variable things which are going to change with every new message. So to change these things dynamically, you have to map the value of these things here in Pabbly Connect in the custom parameters option. Alright, so you can map the values and enter the values of these variable or custom parameters in this type of format. So you have to copy this format from here only, like this, and paste it here like this. So first of all, let me show you the number of parameters we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 variable or custom parameters in our message body. So I'm going to paste this format 4 times. I'm putting a comma here and pasting it again. Then I'm putting a comma and again and one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. After this, you have to enter the value and the name of the custom or variable parameters. So the name of name parameter is, let's see our first parameter, or what is the name of the name parameter. So the name of name parameter is name only. So just copy this from here, paste it here, and then you have to enter or map the value of name parameter. So you can just map the value of name parameter from this Jotform response. Here you can find the name. This is the name. So you can put whole name also from here only. Map this last name also. Alright, so we are done mapping the name. So just like this, you can map the value and the name of other parameters too. So I have mapped all other parameters also that we have in our message template, that is the school name, the file name, the website link that we have in our message template. Alright, now after this, when I click here on save and send test request, this data will be delivered as a new message in WhatsApp along with the link of this file, the PDF file that we have attached in the message template only, in which we have written all the course details and offer letters, whatever we want to send to our student. Alright, so I'm clicking here on save and send test request, and it is showing this type of response. So now we'll check the WhatsApp if we have received something. So you can see in the WhatsApp account we have received this message. Hi Wasim Khan, thank you for showing your interest in success coaching class. We have attached a detailed offer brochure in PDF file. So this is how it is going to work. This is the same data that we have sent from our Pabbly Connect. You can see the name of our the student who have filled this form. We have the data here. You can see the name is this. So these are the details we have received from the Jotform, and these are the exact details that we have received here on the WhatsApp. So now you just have to click on save here, and your automation or connection between Jotform and WhatsApp is completed. Let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger option, we selected the application as Jotform and the trigger event in new response. Then we connected our Jotform to Pabbly Connect. Then we bring this data by filling the form in Pabbly Connect. After this, in the action window, we have selected the application as 𝗏𝗏. We connected 𝗏𝗏. Then we mapped the WhatsApp number, selected the template, given the broadcast name, and mapped our custom parameters or variables that we have in our message body. Alright, after this, our workflow and our connection is complete. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.